Pissed off. Pissed off.
Hi, g'day traders, Sam here from Trade to Prosper. Today is Friday the 15th of March and I'm going to talk about Solana. What I learned from my previous video, when Solana hit a resistance, the main resistance was due to the BTC pairing, and I spoke about this in previous videos. Here is where we found resistance against Bitcoin in the pairing, and that was the golden ratio, 618, and that was our selling point. I did state that this will be a likely level for support, weekly level, right on the money. So I'm pretty happy with that call, and even this, that was an entry, and that was going to be resistance. This chart is probably either a few weeks or a few months old. Don't know exactly when that took place, but I had this pattern. So far, so good. So what it looks like is the 0.5 Fibonacci is acting as resistance. When we break that, guys, we're going to start moving. This is the reaccumulation. And what we're going to do is we need to start seeing it in that quadrant to be bullish and then up. So we've got our elliott wave count. This is a correction. This was a A, B, C correction. Could be a complex one, but what it's looking like, it's pretty much on the target and what we expected. Here we have a formation, and I kid you not, I didn't do this anytime soon. That was a breakout trade. And I wish I saw this before, because if I did, I would have added more to my trade. I would have fit my Bitcoin to Solana at the time. So that was a good level breakout trade. So we had our horizontal level and we had our channel. So that was a perfect level to break out to. Now we have approached this resistance level of previous. So we've got our one touch, two touch, and potentially the third touch. The fourth touch is going to take off. And you can see from here on a bigger time chart. And we don't have any moving averages that are really touching this and supporting it. But you can see our ABC correction took place. Where is it? So this is still the pairing. That was our A, B, C. And from an elliott wave perspective, if we were to look at this from a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, reaccumulation, guys. So this is just getting started, and for the likes of people on Bitcoin, we just gained around 28% once we break these levels. Once we break this level, we have certain levels to break. 0.618 could still be pullback. So our buying climax, retest the base. It wouldn't surprise me that we go there and come back down. Yep. And then either that, or we have a different formation of some sort. If it doesn't break, we just do that. We hang around here for a while and then break out from a Bitcoin perspective. So I'll highly recommend that we look at the pairing trading rather than the dollar. Now let's look at the dollar Solana, and we have here our golden ratio. So when we look at the bottom to the top with our Fibonacci, you can see 0.618, 0.65, and 0.68. Key level, neckline. This was a neckline for Solana some time back, right here. That is our neckline. And once we lost that neckline, give or take, we went down. That was the bear market. So that neckline becomes an important resistance level. Here we go. So there we go. So if we can break that, then we have some chance to go make new highs. I'm using this Fibonacci to look for targets. I have another video in the making which aligns Solana with Ethereum and what we're looking for as a target. And there's a few ways of looking at it. And the minimum I have is in the 400s. And it doesn't look like it wants to go down, does it? We touched our naked point of control. Fantastic. And then bang, back up. So this was an opportunity there, guys. Look at it. So is it going to keep going up? I think it will go sideways in this quadrant and then go up. It's knocking on the door. When we look at the Bitcoin pairing on a smaller time frame, let's have a look and see if there's any sign of it to keep going. Yes, that's a bullish candle, isn't it? That is the daily though. Let's look on a smaller time frame. Oh, geez. That's our second. So we've got a number of touches. I don't think it'll break through, but that's going to give us a good chance of making it through. Reversal structure. So here's a reversal structure. Yes, lower highs. So it's like a triangle. And we broke out. This is the range. We could probably range here for a while and then break out. We've had that before. And so it wouldn't surprise me that we're here for a while. But it wouldn't surprise me that we just go straight up like that. Bit of a pullback, wouldn't surprise me. But it wouldn't surprise me that if it just goes up straight out as well. This is looking really good. Solana's looking fantastic. Having my trades on Solana, I've got a few trades, and obviously the HODL as well. From this perspective, things are looking good. We are at resistance level. You either take your chances. The moving averages here I have, if it was to pull back beyond this end POC, I have this level here, 140, 147 is a real good position to go long if it was to pull back. If it was to pull back, that'll be a nice level to enter for a number of reasons. So if this was to come down, I'll see that going, just continuing up. Stick with Solana, guys. And I'm leaving at that. Please give me a like and share, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.
There you have it. Please give Sam a like, share, and subscribe to his channel to support him for doing more of these posts.